Imagine you are sitting at the dinner table with your family. Someone takes a bite, goes silent, their face turns red, then blue, and everyone around them freezes. Every second counts. When someone chokes, the brain starts losing oxygen almost immediately. After just 4 minutes without air, permanent damage begins. In the next 5 minutes, you will know exactly what to do, step by step, no certification needed. Just watch, and remember, choking happens when food or an object completely blocks the airway. No air gets through, the lungs cannot work. The body sends an emergency signal, but without help, that signal goes unanswered. Choking is most dangerous for children under 5 and adults over 65, but it can happen to anyone. The most common culprits: grapes, nuts, hard candy, and large pieces of meat. A single grape can completely block a toddler's airway. There are 2 types of choking: partial, where the person can still cough or make sounds, and full, where they are completely silent and cannot breathe. These require totally different responses. Getting this wrong can make things worse. Before you do anything, ask clearly, are you choking? If they can speak even one word, cough hard, or breathe, do not intervene yet. Encourage them to keep coughing. A strong cough is more powerful than anything you can do with your hands. The moment you confirm they cannot breathe or speak, call emergency services immediately. Do not wait to see if the situation resolves on its own. Have someone else call while you help, or use the speakerphone. Every second matters. Stand to the side and slightly behind the person. Lean them forward, chest supported with one hand. Use the heel of your other hand to deliver 5 firm blows directly between the shoulder blades. Each blow must be hard. After each one, check if the airway has cleared. Stand directly behind the person. Make a fist and place it just above the navel, below the ribcage. Grab your fist with your other hand. Pull sharply inward and upward, hard and fast. Repeat up to 5 times. This forces a burst of air up through the airway, pushing the object out. If 5 back blows didn't work, do 5 abdominal thrusts. If those didn't work, go back to 5 back blows. Keep alternating. Do not stop. People have survived after 20 rounds. The key is to never give up until the object is out or paramedics take over. After every set of thrusts, look inside the person's mouth. If you can clearly see the object, and only if you can clearly see it, carefully remove it with a finger sweep. Never do a blind finger sweep. You could push the object deeper. If the person becomes unconscious at any point, lower them carefully to the floor. Call emergency services if not done already. Begin CPR immediately. The chest compressions from CPR can dislodge the object. After every 30 compressions, check the mouth before giving breaths. If the person has gone into cardiac arrest and there is an AED nearby, use it. Airports, shopping malls, schools, gyms, most large public buildings have one. Turn it on. It will tell you exactly what to do. You cannot hurt someone by using an AED. For babies under 1 year, never use abdominal thrusts. Instead, hold the baby face down along your forearm, with the head lower than the chest. Use 2 fingers to deliver 5 firm back blows between the tiny shoulder blades. Firm, but controlled. After the 5 back blows, turn the baby face up on your forearm. Place 2 fingers on the center of the chest, just below the nipple line. Give 5 chest thrusts, firm, downward. Alternate with back blows until the object clears or help arrives. What if you are alone and choking? First, try to cough as hard as you can. If that fails, make a fist and perform abdominal thrusts on yourself. Same motion, inward and upward. Or thrust your upper abdomen hard against the back of a chair or countertop edge. This can dislodge the object. Let's lock it in. Is the person still coughing? Let them cough. Silent and can't breathe? Call for help. 5 back blows, 5 abdominal thrusts. Alternate. Check the mouth. If unconscious, CPR, infant, back blows, and chest thrusts only. That's the whole system. The biggest mistake people make when someone chokes? They panic and do nothing. Doing something, even imperfectly, is almost always better than standing still. The Heimlich maneuver is not complicated. You just learned it. You are now someone who can help. Save this video right now. You might need it at a dinner table, at a birthday party, at school, at work. Share it with one parent you know. Subscribe. Next video, what to do when someone is having a heart attack. Let's go.